Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Garry's Mod in virtual reality on your Oculus Quest 2. First, ensure your personal computer is ready for the task. You will need a capable machine to run virtual reality experiences smoothly. Begin by installing SteamVR and the Oculus PC application. These are essential software components for connecting your headset. Then, connect your Quest 2 to your computer using either a physical Oculus Link cable or the wireless AirLink feature. This establishes the crucial connection. Now that your system is prepared, let's get the necessary software. First, you'll need to own and install Garry's Mod itself, which is available on the Steam platform. Once Garry's Mod is installed, head over to the Steam Workshop. Search for and subscribe to the VR Mod add-on. This crucial mod enables virtual reality functionality within the game. The Steam Workshop will automatically download and integrate VR Mod into your Garry's Mod installation, making it ready for the next steps. With VR Mod installed, it's time to fine-tune your experience. Launch Garry's Mod in its standard desktop mode first. This allows you to easily access the game's main menu and the VR Mod settings. Within the VR Mod options, you can adjust crucial elements like your preferred locomotion method, comfort settings to reduce motion sickness, and even graphical fidelity. Take some time to experiment with these settings. Finding the right balance will significantly enhance your virtual reality gameplay and enjoyment. You're almost ready to jump into the action. Before launching Garry's Mod, make sure SteamVR is active and running in the background. Then, start Garry's Mod. You will typically be prompted with an option to launch in virtual reality mode via VR Mod. Select this option, and your Oculus Quest 2 will transport you directly into the game. Now you can explore countless maps, interact with objects, and enjoy all the creative freedom Garry's Mod offers, but in a completely new, immersive virtual reality dimension. Have fun!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.